Welcome to the Hernia Center of Southern California.
Welcome to the Hernia Center of Southern California. We are located in downtown Pasadena, just a few blocks from Huntington Memorial Hospital. We are a state-of-the-art facility. We have a clinic as well as a surgery center.
The Hernia Center has actually been around for over 25 years, dedicated exclusively to hernia repair. And we've been through not just the changes that have happened both in medicine and hernia repair, but also in terms of adapting changes and evolving our practice to optimize patient care and patient outcomes.
When you come to our facility, you will be met by caring, experienced staff, which has been with us for years and understands how to take care of hernia patients.
Fact is that when we do surgery here, we do surgery based off of 25 years. And that goes into each individual patient. And it's really based off a customized, catered approach.
When you meet our general surgeons who are hernia specialists, you will find that you are treated for sure by state-of-the-art experts in hernia repair, and you will feel comfortable that you are getting the best possible evaluation, treatment, and recovery for your hernia surgery.
Because it's not just having good results, it's about feeling good after your hernia surgery. That's something we provide here.